Okay. Hello. My name is Albertus, and I don't like you a lot. I mean, I don't like people who talk all the time. Probably you know me because I play in the Among Motion movie.
Where are you from?
What?
Where are you from?
I'm from England, and I'm a big star. I'm very famous. I don't have time to come here to tell you anything. Why are you interrupting me? Because your teacher said if anyone interrupts,
Not speak Spanish.
it will go outside. Shh, wait a second, lady. What's your name? Well, I don't care about your name. Okay, just sit down. Just sit down and listen. Okay?
I'm sorry, te odio.
You know, your teacher told me that I needed to come here.
No.
And I'm very busy. But he's a good friend, and he said, please, Albertus, and well, you know. Okay, I said yes. But please, don't come close to me. I don't like people to touch me. I know I'm a famous star. But please, no, come on, lady. Talk. Well, some people say talk. Some people say the best actor in the world. Yes, I don't know. Yeah, that's me. Okay, lady, what's your name?
My name is Maria.
Okay, Maria.
You know who is the best, right?
Who is the best?
Yeah, you know.
I'm the best. Yeah.
My name is Best.
I know.
My name
Who's
Alberti is the best.
Alberti? Come on. Do you think Alberti is the best?
No!
Okay, lady.
Albert is the best.
Albert is the best? Nah, come on.
Albertus is the best.
Albert is just.
Albertus is the best.
Who said Albertus is the best?
Albertus is the best.
Finally, there is someone here that thinks a little bit. Okay. Yes? Who is the best? The three. Yes. The three of us, we are the best, but I'm more the best than the others. Okay. Things are like this. I mean, shh, you're talking. Excuse me, you are talking too much. And I don't like to yell. Lady? No? I don't understand Spanish. Okay, no, that's good. Maria, okay, say.
You have a star on Hollywood?
If I yes, of course, I did some work on Hollywood. But it's not, wait a second, they are not movies for everyone. So they are high-level movies. So probably you don't know any of the movies I was in. But of course I worked on Hollywood. Of course.
Albert, he loves you.
I know.
And you, do you love
And
Do you love Alberti?
he always touches me and he always do things. But but you know,
Because he loves you.
yes, but he's always touching me. Shh, he's
Alquilar una boda.
shh. Alberti is very annoying. He's always touching me. He's always saying,
Te quiere, because he loves you.
yeah, but everyone loves me.
No,
Okay.
everybody loves you. Only Albert.
Ariel, no. Okay, Maria. Maria was your name? Okay, Maria.
No, and my name is
Like a brother.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm the big brother. Yeah, I'm the old brother. Yes. Okay, but he touches me all the time, and I don't like people to touch me. Yes, because. Shh.
Can we do the story now?
Of course, I'm waiting. Okay, that's it. After, when we finish the story, I will sign you if you want to and take some pictures. I will do, but not now, please. Not now, later. Okay? That's it.
You went to the barber shop.
To the?
Barber shop.
To the barber shop? Barber shop? The barber, oh, yeah. I fly to Paris and I go to a very famous one. What did he say? Shh. What did he say? I'm No.
I live in Grandpa.
This is for a movie I'm recording. So I shaved my hair for a movie. Okay? Okay. That's it. Now we are going to start. This is a very. This is a very. You don't know it because you are not actors.
Okay.
You are not actors. But when I start, I need silence because I need to relax and yes, I need to be focused on the story. Okay? So if you want to, it's not a funny movie. So it's a serious piece of art. Okay? So I will start with a story called. The name of this story is the mouse, the bird, and the sausage. The mouse, the bird, and the sausage.
Sausage is salsa.
So yes, sausage. In this story,
My English is very.
in this story, there was a mouse. A mouse. In the story, there was a mouse. There was a bird. But it's a bird, and there was a sausage.
It's banana, so.
That's a sausage. I'm a wonderful drawer, but today I'm trying to do it simple for you to understand everything. Okay? Your teacher told me that he's not very good at drawing, so I don't want to do it so well that then you think that your teacher, we are friends and okay. So I will draw like this. A mouse, a bird, and a sausage. Okay? And in this story, these three characters, the mouse, the bird, and the sausage, were very good friends. And they lived together. Okay? Like me, Albertus, and Albert. Okay? So, no, we don't live together. No, come on. I live in a nice big house. Albertine. Of course. What? Of course. Of course. Of course. Like famous people. Okay, wait. You're talking too much and you're yelling. You told me. Are you talking to me? Ah, okay. Okay. Alejo, but what's your name? What's your name? Okay. Well, I don't care. But.
My name is Pepito.
Okay, Pepito, tell me your question.
My name is Juan. Why do you have the same tattoo? The tattoo.
But this is fake. This is a stick. Okay. In my mansion, I have a mansion in the US. I have a mansion here, and I have a mansion in Dubai. Yes, in Dubai. But I don't like to. Don't talk about me. Well, we stick to the story, okay? No. That's for normal people. Okay. Shh. So wait. I like that you appreciate that. You look very intelligent. You must be the intelligent one in the class. Yes or not?
No.
I know. Shh. Yes.
You are the best if you are the boyfriend of Albert.
No. Yeah. I don't have boyfriends or girlfriends
Why?
because I don't have time for this kind of stuff. Okay? I'm above that.
Albertus, you should have. Because
I don't like to talk with people.
I should have.
Yes, but because your teacher said, please come here, and you're talking, I'm going to leave if you don't stop yelling and interrupting. Okay, last question, lady. No, never mind. You said never mind to me? Okay. Shh.
I
No.
like bananas.
This is not a banana, this is a sausage. Do you need my glasses?
This is banana.
Okay, no. Shh, stop. Okay, last opportunity.
I love pineapple and pizza with pizza. I love.
No, Albertus don't like pineapple in the pizza. It's
You like because you have a photo.
I recorded a video for you. I like pineapple in the pizza. Yes, because people usually don't like it, so I do it. Because I like to do the opposite of other people. Okay, so stick to the story. No more interruptions or I will leave, okay? Because I earn a lot of money to do things and this is for free, for your teacher, okay? So I'm here, but I need to go to the airport to take a flight to Paris now, so are you ready to listen to the story? Yeah. Okay. The mouse, the bird, and the sausage, they were friends, and they lived together in a house. Well, in a house, yes, in a house. And each of them, oh, it's not working. Really? Do you have these cheap things here in the school?
really.
Okay, I will take another color. I will take blue.
Yeah,
Blue is okay.
Shh.
Re-
¿Y por qué no me da la construcción?
No. Oh, that's right. Well, we'll continue here.
What is
Okay.
this?
Shh.
Pregunta.
Shh. There. Each of them, the mouse, the bird, and the sausage, each means, okay, had their job. The job. Okay? Each of them had one job. The job of the bird, so the task, his job was to. This is a firewood. So his job was to fly to the forest. There was a forest next to the house, and he had to take firewood, wood to put on the fire. Okay? He had to collect firewood. So I don't do this kind of stuff. I just call my servants and they do all the stuff. But animals in the stories do these kind of things. So he had to fly to the forest and collect the firewood. Okay? And he collected the firewood all day long, from the morning to the evening. So he was on the forest collecting firewood. The mouse job was to collect water from a well. He collect water to drink from a well. He also he collect water. He make fire. Okay, he make the fire with the firewood. So he prepared this a big pot, and he created the fire, the mouse, and also he laid the table. So he laid the table. Okay, he put dishes, the fork. Okay, he put the plates with the fork, the knife, a spoon to eat. He prepared the table. Okay, he laid the table. Those three things were his job. His job was to collect firewood. The job of the mouse was to collect water, make fire, and lay the table. And the sausage job was to cook. He was the chef. He cooked. And to cook, he, on a big pot, he prepared a soup. And the sausage is salty. It's salty. Okay? It has salt. So what he did, when everything was ready, he jumped on the water, the sausage jumped inside the water and he swam. Swam is the past of swim, okay? He swam on the water and then the food was salty, okay? Because the sausages are salty, saladas, okay? So he swam for, I don't know, 10 minutes, like in a bath, and like me in my jacuzzi, for example, and the food was salty and was good. And they lived very happily. They were very happy with this life. The three friends lived together, and they were happy. But one day, the bird is like Albert. He's always complaining. He's always yelling, you know? And the bird, Albert. Do you know Ben in this movie? Okay. Always with a man with sunglasses. Okay. The bird was like him. So the bird, one day, he flew is the past of fly. He flew to the forest. And in the forest, in a branch of a tree, he met another bird. There was another bird in the forest. So they talked. There was a bird and this one. And they talked.
Another bird or another duck?
But it's a bird, lady. No. It's a bird. But a duck is a bird.
It's a duck.
And so they were talking, and this bird said, "Wow, I have a wonderful life," like Albertus. I have a wonderful life. I just collect firewood. I live with two friends. My job is to collect firewood. The mouse job is to collect water, make fire, and lay the table. And the sausage job is to cook. And we are very happy, and we love it. But the other bird said, "No, that's not a wonderful life. That's bad, because you work a lot. You fly to the forest every day, from the morning to the night, and you collect firewood all day long, the whole day, from the morning to the evening. You fly to the forest, you take a firewood, you fly back home, then again to the forest, home, all day long. So that's a very bad job, because the mouse, okay, he collects water, he makes the fire, but you do this in 5 minutes, and you lay the table, that's 5 minutes, and when he's finished, he goes to sleep, and he sits on a table, he reads a book. So his job is just 15 minutes, 20 minutes. The rest of the day, he does nothing. The sausage, he cooks, but he cooks for what? 1 hour a day? He cooks, he jumps on the water, he swims like a king, and he just works 1 hour. But you work all day long, from the morning to the night. So your job is not good, it's bad. And the bird, he was like, "Yeah, that's right, that's true. My job..."
That's right in Spanish.
Es correcta. That's right, it's true, because my job is harder than the others. So when he was at night, they were in the table eating the dinner, and he said, "Okay, enough. I don't want to do my job anymore. That's not fair. So I want that we change jobs. I don't want to collect firewood." But the mouse and the sausage said, "But you are very good at collecting firewood. You do your job very well." But he said, No. enough. I don't want to collect firewood. No more. Stop. So next day, in the morning, the birds did not go to the forest. The birds changed the job for the mouse. The mouse took the sausage job, and the sausage went to the forest. So the sausage walked to the forest to collect the firewood. The birds collected the water and made the fire, laid the table. 15 minutes, done. She was relaxing. And the mouse was waiting, esperant, he was waiting for the firewood, okay? He was waiting to cook. But time passed, 11, 12, 1, 2, and the sausage was not there. He did not came back to the house. 3, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. And the mouse and the bird said, where is the sausage? Where is the sausage? It's late. What is the sausage? So the birds flew to the forest. And going to the forest, he saw a dog. And the dog had a slice of sausage in his mouth. Shh, wait. So he had the dog. In the morning, he saw the sausage walking to the forest, and he thought, ooh, food, that's for me. So he ate the sausage. So the sausage was dead. Wait.
That's the end of.
No, it's not the end of the story. So he was dead. So the bird was very sad because he was his friend, you know?
I don't know.
Can you imagine Alberti like this? He will do a drama, you know?
Yes.
Okay, not me, but he will do a drama. Okay,
Yes.
so, yes, exactly. So the bird was sad, and the mouse was sad, but, you know, life continues, life goes on. So he collects the firewood and fly back home, the bird, and he prepared the fire. And the mouse said, okay, I have to cook, it's my job. So the mouse jumped on the boiling water. Yeah, but he was not a sausage. So the water was very hot. Very hot. So the mouse could not swim, and he burned and died. But that's not the end of the story. The bird was very worried. What's worried? Yes, preocupado. So okay, the duck was not the duck. The bird was worried, and he, you know, this was the table, and here there was the boiling, the fire, and the boiling soup, and the dead mouse was inside, and the bird put the firewood here. He was scared. He was nervous because his friend was dying in the pot. So what happens? One of a little bit of fire jumped and took the firewood. So the firewood started to burn. And the firewood was inside of a house. So in 1 minute or 2 minutes, the house was burning. with fire. So the birds also died. And that is the end of the story. What? Shh, wait. It's dramatic. Well, life is tough.
But they will see each other again.
What?
They will see each other again in other life.
Oh, maybe yes. We don't know. Did you like the story? Be honest with me. Why did you like the story? Because the story was good? No, the story is not good. But who told you the story? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.